Hi everyone, this is a demonstration video to show you how to extract data from Craiglist. We're going to search and extract job lists in every city in the state of New York. First, enter the Craiglist URL in the address bar, then click the green play button to load the page. Okay, after the page is loaded, we want to extract the state name, so scroll down the page and click New York. Now click New in the Visual Web Ripper tool to create a new element. Let's call it State and then save it. Now we need to set up a link template so we can iterate through all the cities in the state of New York. To do this, click on the Templates button, then select the city first in the list. Now create a list by right-clicking your mouse on the second city name and then select Create List. You should see that all the cities in the list are selected. In all there are 20 elements, or in this case cities. Now click New to create a link template for the cities. We'll name it City. We want to extract the text for the city name, so in the Options section we need to select the Extract Text checkbox. Okay, now save it. Now click Open to open the link template. We can now see all the Craiglist categories for the city of Albany. Next, we need to create another link template to capture all the jobs for each city. To do this, we need to click the first list item. Then we create a list by right-clicking your mouse on the second list item, then selecting Create List from the pop-up menu. We can see 33 elements selected, so click New to create the template. We need to make this a link template so it will link through to all the list items. Now let's call this template Job Category. Like before, we want to extract the text, this time for job category. So in our Options section we need to select the Extract Text checkbox. Okay, save it. Now click Open and we can see the job title and date, which is the data we want to extract. Now we need to set a page area template to grab this data. So click the Templates button. Now click the first job title and expand the selection by clicking the plus button. Then create a list by right-clicking your mouse on the second job title and then select Create List. 100 elements are selected. Now click New to create the page area template. Change the template type from link to page area. We'll call it page area to be boring and then save it. Now we want to extract job titles and dates. Firstly click Open, then select the first job title. You should see that 100 list items are now selected. We'll now click New to create a content element for the job title. You can see the URL detail in the capture window, but we want the text heading only. So we need to change from using a link option to a text option. Now set the name as job title and save it. Good, now click Edit. This way we can check to make sure the text in the capture window has changed from a URL to the job title text we want. Great. Now click Save. Do the same for the date as well. Like before, we need to create another link template to be able to capture all the job details from all the other list items. Firstly, click the first job title link. Then click New to create a new template. Let's call this Detail and then save it. Open the template to access the detail page. Now they're at the jobs detail page, we want to extract post ID number, posted, and updated date, and any other details. Firstly, let's click the post ID text, then click New to create a new element. Let's name this post ID. As we can see in the capture window, the post ID data is displayed after the semicolon. But we don't want the words post ID showing in each row of our output data. So to prevent this, we will use content transformation to remove the post ID text. Click content transformation and then click the enable transformation checkbox. Now copy the post ID semicolon text from the bottom window. You can paste this in the first line above before the first bracket. This means that only the text after the semicolon will be collected. Now click the transform button and we can see that only the actual ID number is displaying in the second window, i.e. the data we will collect. Now save it. You can also click the edit button and see the correct post ID detail is displaying in the capture window. Now we need to do the same transformation work for the posted, updated, location and compensation data items. Updated. Location. And compensation. Location. We also need to create a description element to extract all the paragraph text on the page. First, click on the description text on the body of the page. Click New and we call this new element description. Okay, then we'll click Save. Now let's save the project. It's now time to run the project to ensure it's extracting the correct data. Click Run Project and then click the Start button to extract the data. Okay, you can see it processing. Let's stop the project partway through to check the data results. Click on the View Data button. As you can see, we've retrieved the correct data, state, city, etc., and the transformations have worked well. Only the data after the semicolons has been collected for post ID, location, etc. So this is how easy it is to build and extract from the Craiglist website. So go ahead and finish running the project for yourselves. Excellent. Okay, have fun. Thanks guys, bye.